Travel with Tony.
Orchard Road is a one-way street. It starts at the junction with Orange Grove Road, which is the location of the Orchard Hotel. Orchard Road got its name from the nutmeg, pepper and fruit orchards or the plantations that the road led to in the mid-1800s. Commercial development only began in the 20th century and took off in the 1970s. Orchard Road is a road in Singapore that is the retail and entertainment hub of the city-state. It is regularly frequented by the local population as well as being a major tourist attraction. Often the surrounding area is known simply as Orchard. You only need to take a walk down Singapore's iconic shopping districts to find out what's in store for you. One thing is for sure, you won't be leaving empty-handed but with bag loads of great bargains and gifts. Get ready to shop till you drop. The immediate vicinity of Orchard Road Orchard Planning Area is one of 55 urban planning areas as specified by the Urban Redevelopment Authority and is a commercial district. It's a part of the Central Region and Singapore's Central Business District, the Central Area. Orchard Road underwent a major revamp in the year 2009 with the addition of new street lamps, planter boxes, urban green rooms, street tiling and flower totem poles. Shopping is an integral part of any holiday in Singapore. Many tourists come only for sightseeing and recreation, but when they leave, they have one or two extra bags with them. Fantastic shopping malls in Singapore with a galaxy of goods make sure that the visitors return with something special in their hands. There is practically a shopping sale of sorts all year round in Singapore, with the most notable one being the Great Singapore Sale. In addition to that, there are stretches of world-class shopping malls that offer you a wide array of shopping choices. Singapore makes a simple activity like shopping a memorable experience. From glittering malls to bustling street shops, Singapore's shopping offers almost unlimited shopping options to the shoppers. It has an extensive underground infrastructure, including underground pedestrian walkways between the malls running underneath the street and also other streets in the vicinity. The numbers actually begin at Handy Road and at Orange Grove Road. Orchard Road is flanked by pedestrian malls. Orchard Road also contains numerous upmarket restaurants, coffee chains, cafes, nightclubs and hotels. It is also the site of the official residence of the President of Singapore. Bugis Street in Singapore is the largest shopping street, home to some 600 shops of funky fashion and lifestyle products. The unusual name of the street comes from the bloodthirsty group of pirates that terrorized the streets of Singapore before the arrival of the British. The area around Bugis Street was the home of Singapore's Japanese community from the early 1900s right up until just after World War II, when they were repatriated by the British, not being allowed to return for several years later. Bugis Street is the best visited in the evenings when the alleyways come alive. You can feel the heat of Asian street shopping as you walk along the busy streets and view Singaporean consumerism at its finest. Bugis Street is all the time crowded with local Singaporeans and also with tourists coming across the world. If you happen to be in Singapore, a visit to Bugis Street is a must, otherwise your trip to Singapore will be considered as an incomplete. For many years after World War II, the area around Bugis Street was Singapore's answer to Pat Pong, the notorious red light district in the heart of Bangkok. In 1985, the whole area was redeveloped completely, turning into a highly sanitized shopping experience for the whole family.